much like a real cat, it'll maybe be cooperative.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So, whenever you're ready, can you tell me a bit about what you've built?
Of course. So we built a cat robot. As you can see, his name is Ralph. Subject to change, but on a very high level, it's just 3D printed. So it has head, body, and legs. Inside the head, there's an LCD screen, which blinks periodically, and then you'll see later that the pupils will dilate when it senses an object. The body is the workhorse that houses all of the main components. It has the servos in there. We have 4 servos, each connected to one leg.
Okay.
Our power source is 2 9-volt batteries, and then obviously the Pico. We also have an LDO and a motor controller in there. And inside the front legs, we have just a connection to the servo, and then these are just bearings. And then the back legs have connections to the servos and also a DC motor inside of them, which is connected to this wheel. So, and then, at the front of it, there's an IR receiver. So in theory, once it senses an object, a toy or rat, which this is our rat. Yeah, that's an iron emitter. We also have been trying out remotes, but once it senses it, it will go downwards into a pounce position and then start driving towards it. We are having some power issues, so it'll be a little bit slower than it was yesterday, but hopefully he doesn't fall.
Okay. Oh, there you saw it.
Yeah. So he goes down, and then he'll drive towards it.
With his pupils dilated.
Yeah. We can show. If I go like that, and then you can see the joints move a lot better when he's up in the air. It's just definitely a weight issue, and then
Sure. So there's a servo in each shoulder.
Yeah.
And then the back 2 feet are driven by DC motors. Is that what I'm understanding? Okay. And these are just on bearings on the front. Okay. Cool. What an endearing little creature. Very nice. And then your rat is a infrared LED.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And then we've tried it with remotes, and those have also worked. Sometimes better range.
If you want to just give him a command instead. Come here.
Cool. So you respond really nicely to the remote, it seems.
Yeah, the remote. We were testing a few different ways to input the IR, and the remote ended up having the best range.
Okay.
We think that had to do with the signal being sent to this LED compared to the ones with just a straight battery connected to them with a resistor.
Yeah, because the one connected directly to the battery just has the recommended forward or continuous forward current, whereas the remotes use a pulse current, so they can use a higher power for each pulse, but the same average power, which would increase the range.
Okay. Very nice. It's a really endearing little creature. Cool. Thank you, guys.